So what's good, yo? So in this video I'll be teaching you how to place a screen guard on your phone. So there are many of you that bought new and brand new phones, and screen protector usually follows the phone, so you don't know how to fix it. Here is a video on how to fix a screen protector on your phone. So inside the screen protector you find a wiper, but if you don't find the wiper you can use tissue paper or a white handkerchief. So firstly, you carefully clean your phone, the surface of your phone. So while we are cleaning the surface of your phone is because of dust and some other particles that may have rested on your phone. So you carefully clean it so that this won't be visible once you have fixed the screen guard on it. So here comes the tricky part. It's not hard, it's just tricky. So you carefully place your screen guard directly to your phone, just directly to the screen on how the screen looks like. Just place it directly to the screen and make sure you look at your camera so that your camera won't be covered by mistake. But if you place it and it didn't fit the way you want it, you can remove it again and place it directly. All you really need to do is to make sure your camera and your speaker are not covered